Before beginning, please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips in the owner's manual. Remember to follow all warning labels and wear appropriate safety gear during setup and system use. Be sure to register your engine-driven welder generator to receive important alerts for free software upgrades. Now, let's get started. Without ever having to turn the machine on, an operator can quickly view machine hours by turning the ignition switch to the run position, and hours remaining until oil change by turning to the run idle position. Starting the machine is easy. Simply turn the ignition switch to the start position and release as soon as the engine engages. Depending on your particular model and ambient temperatures, glow plugs, a choke, or other starting aids may be required to start the engine. Refer to the owner's manual for more information on these topics. Once the machine is running, setting it up to weld is easy. Start by selecting the process that you will be running. If you plan on using a remote, ensure you select the process within the white remote on-off section. If no remote will be used, select the process in the orange output on section. Once a process has been selected, simply set the preset amperage or voltage, and you're ready to weld. For fine-tuned welding adjustments, press the main control knob to activate the arc control menu. You'll know you've activated the menu when the arc control LED illuminates. Arc control has three main functions. In stick modes, adjusting arc control allows you to make adjustments to arc characteristics, soft versus stiff, to be changed for specific applications and electrodes. In wire modes, adjusting arc control allows you to make adjustments to inductance. When adjusting inductance, turn this setting up for a stiffer arc, or down for a softer arc that will wet out better at the toe of the weld. Finally, in lift arc TIG modes, adjusting arc control allows you to adjust the auto stop threshold. When adjusting the auto stop threshold, you're increasing or decreasing the maximum allowable arc length before the machine shuts off output to the TIG torch. If your engine-driven welder generator is enabled with arc reach technology, and you've got it paired with an arc reach compatible accessory, there's no need to make any adjustments to weld settings at the front of the machine. All controls, including amperage, voltage, and arc control, automatically shift to the accessory, and the process is automatically set based on your polarity. With 3 accessories to choose from, including the Arc Reach Stick TIG Remote for stick and TIG welding, Arc Reach Feeder for solid and flux cord wire welding, and the Arc Reach Smart Feeder for advanced process welding, you're sure to increase productivity, improve quality, and reduce the risk of a job site-related injury by eliminating control cables and minimizing the amount of trips required between the weld joint and the power source to make adjustments. The hidden menu can be accessed by pressing and holding the main control knob until the setup LED illuminates. Within this menu, you can view machine hours and software, view, customize, and reset the oil change countdown reminder, turn VRD on and off, reset all settings to factory default, and adjust advanced process settings such as hot start and auto crater in certain welding modes. Depending on your specific machine, menu items may differ. Refer to the owner's manual for more information on accessing and adjusting settings within the hidden menu. On the front of your machine, you'll notice a weatherproof industrial USB port. This port is used for a variety of functions, including firmware updates, running custom programs, and downloading machine log files. To upload software, ensure the machine is in the off position. Insert the USB stick with Miller-approved software and turn the ignition switch to the run or run idle position. Select Yes to initiate the installation process when prompted. While the new firmware is being written to the system, do not remove the USB stick until the upload is complete. This may take several minutes. You'll know the upload was successful when the machine returns to the original menu screen. Another handy feature is the machine's ability to write a log file to any compatible USB stick that has read-write permission. Simply insert your USB stick into the port, and it will automatically upload a text file that can be viewed on a computer with important information, such as machine hours, usage, and any errors that have recently occurred. It's as simple as that. For more information on setup and operation of your Miller engine-driven welder generator, visit millerwelds.com.